Got any sevens?
Go fish. Got any nines?
Go fish. Got any twos? Yeah! Oh, yeah!
Dang it. Oh, that must be the colonel. Clean up. Colonel Sanders.
Roger. I haven't saw you forever.
But, yeah, it was fun.
And I said no soap radio.
Oh, Colonel. Oh, long time no see. How you been? How have your travels been? Salute?
Well, I got a story for you.
Whoa! Fuck, you was right.
So I was pouring myself a bowl of apples and apples, you know. I was pouring my cereal, looking away, and next thing I know, it's chickens from my cereal. So, you guys want to see it?
So how does it work?
Whoever has the chicken split gets 3 magical wishes.
Have you used your 3 wishes yet?
I like top about it.
Our guy's supposed to be fun. I should go get him some tea.
Alright.
I'm tired. I go to bed now. And the president says, no soup.
Thank you very much, kind lady. You will.
So if you're done with the chicken's foot, can I have it?
No. No.
So how exactly does it work?
Well, you put it in your right hand and say aloud what you want to wish for.
Oh, Roger, wish for all this wretched hair to be gone.
Oh, finally, I wish for...
No! The consequences could be grave. Wish for something sensible.
Of course.
Yeah.
Well, I must be off. Toodaloo.
Bye, Colonel.
See ya.
Yeah, see you later.
Have fun.
Bye.
It's a crazy night.
Oh, man. No soap radio. Ridiculous.
So what are you gonna wish for?
I don't know.
I thought we'd sleep on it.
It's not like it's gonna work anyway.
Oh.
Well, I'm pretty hungry. Why not just wish for a bucket of chicken?
Go for it.
I wish for a bucket of chicken. Ah! It moved!
Yeah, okay, Roger.
No, seriously, I felt it move.
Yeah.
It didn't work.
Yeah, there's no chicken.
Well, whatever, I'm tired.
Yeah, it's pretty late. We should just get to bed. See you in the morning.
And then the president said, no soap radio.
And what did the vice president say?
It's not part of the joke.
Excuse me,
Yeah.
are you Herbert's parents?
Why, yes, we are.
There's been a terrible accident at the factory.
Is he hurt?
No, Herbert's fine,
Oh.
but he's dead. Boiled alive like a chicken.
Hold me.
I'm sorry, but KFC will take no legal responsibility for this. Here is a complimentary bucket of chicken for your pain.
No.
Roger, wake up! Roger, I just
what
thought
is
of
it?
it.
What is
Oh my
it?
gosh. Wish Herbert alive. We have
Ew,
two more
no,
wishes.
you're
Wish him
crazy.
alive. No.
No.
Please, he's our son.
Yeah, I'm happy I got rid of him.
Wish him alive.
Okay, fine. I wish Herbert was alive. Happy now?
Yeah.
Go back to sleep. Oh, gee. It's Herbert. No, no. No, wait. What I mean? He's a monster.
That's our son.
No. Wait. Please, no. No. Don't open it. Don't open it. The chicken's foot.
Hey Mom, crazy day at work today.
I hate Herbert. Roger, Herbert's here. Roger. What did you just wish for?
Oh, nothing. So these are apple dapples.
I want some.
Take it.
What are you doing? Okay.
Apple dapples.
Action.
Go fish.
So how exactly do you use it?
Well, you put it up in your hand and raise it up, and you say what you want.
Oh, Roger.
Colonel. Colonel. Colonel.
And that's how I got the chickens good. So I was having myself a bowl of apples and dabbles, you know? I was just pulling my bowl of cereal, thinking,